welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with my 4x4 converted D12. It's a D12 body shell on a B24 kit metal chassis, so it's got a nice lot of weight low down to keep it on the ground. For the electronics, we're using a WPL Res V3 kit, so that's a all-in-one kit there, and I can even use a winch on it, as you can see on the front bumper. Anything that I've used in this video I'll put a link for down below in the description. If you enjoy the video, give me a like and subscribe.